What if a simple food could protect your heart, make your brain function the best, and reduce inflammation and still taste great? Healthy food and healthy eating shouldn't be complex and it still should taste great. Most importantly, it should meet our biological changes as we get age and level of the activity we do. If you're new to my channel, my name is Reza. I have over 27 years experience in science and pharma, and most recently I left cooperative work to bring the gaps between science and practical health idea and habits in order to help people just like yourself to have maintain their health or they improve their health to become better version of themselves by giving practical tips in area of the nutrition, exercise, mindfulness, and more. Therefore, if it's something which resonates with you, you may want to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to prepare a fish. This is actually golden band snapper, which is in tropical Australia, and I've never tried that fish, but apparently it's quite nice fish. I'm going to have it with Asian style dressing. I'll put some of the vegetable which I'll kind of quickly chop them first, and which is basically capsicum, just pepper, red onion, carrot, and sweet potato. And then we're going to prepare the fish, and you're going to see what we're going to do. But for Asian spices, we need soy sauce, sesame oil. We need a bit of coriander and parsley and shallot and lemon and a bit of spring onion and ginger. I'm not going to today use the garlic because one of the member of the family is garlic intolerance, but you can add garlic and I think it's going to be look and taste good, but I think shallot should be do the job as well. But for fish, I'm going to use a bit of coriander, black pepper, olive oil, and a bit of salt, and stuff the inside of the fish with some lime and a bit of coriander, parsley as well. But first, I'm going to just start to preparing vegetable. Start by peeling the sweet potato. Then carrot, I'm quickly put this one in the water, boiled water, and just microwave it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes to just make it a bit soft before adding other ingredients. The sweet potato and carrot just getting a bit of pre-cooked in oven, microwave. I quickly prepare the onion. But they just half cook the vegetable. I made a tray here with aluminium foil because I'm going to cook 2 fish. I'm going to put them here, and I'm going to put onion, and just a bit of dazzle of the olive oil and a bit of salt. Alright, I'm going to put a bit of parsley and coriander here, and then I'll set the fish on top of those ingredients. Remember, I'm going to chop those bell peppers. Here, putting those one in here. Because it's Asian style, I'm planning to put coconut oil in top of everything here, and fish. But first, I'm going to score the fish. Put a bit of coriander. And white pepper. A bit of olive oil. And a tad of salt. And just rub it in. Bit more olive oil. I'm going to chop some of the lemon thinly. And put it into of the fish. Parsley. Put in here. And I'm just going to chop one shallot and put it in. Now I'm going to put it in the plate. Let's put the fish here. Sit nicely. And put coconut cream just over the fish and vegetable. Some inside the cavity. Oh, this fish is ready. We're now prepared. It just goes into oven for at 200 Celsius for 20 minutes. To prepare the sauce, I'm going to use some of the soy sauce. That'll do. Then about 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. and chop some of those chili, finely chopped. Add it to here. We're going to chop some shallots, finely chopped. I'll just put it here. And so I'm going to add 2 lime here. Now ginger, gonna cut that much ginger. And just going to and add them here. The oven now is preheat to 200. I'm going to cover the fish with baking paper first. I'll put it for 20 minutes, then I'll just remove the baking paper and another 10 minutes without baking paper. I figure. Finally, I'm going to add a bit of coriander here as well. It's coriander leaf. Roughly chopped. I figure. Well, we're done for this fish. Just have to wait. This is really a balanced plate, especially for middle-aged people. As you can see, it's big fish. It's a good source of excellent protein. You have vegetable, which they give you enough energy and fiber for your gut health and immune system without increasing of inflammation. We're going to add our basically a bit of sauce, which is also full of antioxidant to the fish without overpowering it. Just beautiful. Also, it helps our heart because have omega-3 and potassium. It have high protein, which helps our muscles to maintain, and in some cases if we combine it with exercise can improve our muscle mass. All of those fresh ingredients have a lot of anti-inflammatory nutritions, and it's after eating this you feel very satisfied and helps you with weight management as well. Therefore, it's perfect meal for aging healthy and having a balanced diet. This dish not only tastes great, but is perfect for middle-aged people because it's rich in protein, it's rich in anti-inflammatory factors, also provide you continuous energy without giving you a spike in your insulin, and also provide a lot of good fiber which helps your guts function better and you have better immune systems. Then, as you can see, healthy living and healthy aging, it's not about the perfection, about choosing a smart and practical things you can keep repeating. And this is one example of it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if that's so, please don't forget to share it with the people maybe you find this video useful as well. And you can always give a thumb up as well. I want to, in the end, thank you all for giving your time to me and watching this video. And I wish you all the best up to next video. Please be active, eat healthy, and be curious. Bye for now.